Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can view your friends' upcoming birthdays. So for that, head over to your Play Store first and search for Facebook. Make sure the application you are using, which is Facebook, is updated. So if you see open, that means your application is already updated. In case you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now launch your Facebook and simply get logged into your account. Tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. Tap on three-bar icon, then you will see birthdays. If you do not see birthdays, make sure that you select see more, then you will be able to see birthdays. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now in my case, the page is blank because I have less than 5 friends here. And if you have more than 5 friends, or if you have a lot of friends, and if they have made their birthdays public, you will be able to see it right here. You will also see the dates where their birthday will take place. Thank you all for watching. If that helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.